Now, student, we come to the last extract, that is the fifth extract. Perhaps the earth can teach us. Now, poet tell, tell, tells to everyone that the earth can teach us. Earth can also give a lesson. What type of lesson the earth gives us? That everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Gives a message from these two lines means in the winter season. Meaning of these two lines: in the winter season, everything seems dead. Means leaves shed of their trees shed of their leaves. Animals also go to their holes and hide themselves. In this, everything seems dead. But when the winter is gone and the spring season comes, everything becomes alive. Train relish with leaves. Animals come from their hiding place and also come their homes for food. In this way, the poet wants from the people that they also realize that what is the meaning of life. The meaning of the life is not only that we have to achieve things and achieve things, but the meaning of the life is we have to enjoy the life with the families, with the society, not run after the money. That is the meaning of this poem. The poet want to say that everything seems dead, but after some time it will be alive. So prepare yourself like this. Now I will count up to the 12 again. Now the poet said that I will count up the 12, means I am going to start counting 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. Now I will give you time. You will quiet and I will go, means now I am ending the point and I give time to you to think about yourself and what message I want to convey in this poem. You understand and realize that what you have achieved and what you have lost in attaining the materialistic things. That is the message conveyed by the poet through this poem. It is very interesting poem. If you understand this poem, the meaning of this poem, then you realize that what the poet said. The poet want from everyone that they enjoy life, not disturb the environment, not do wars. Look at yourself, introspect yourself, not run after the money, not run after the materialistic things. That poet want from the people that they live, that they spread the message of brotherhood in all over the world. Okay, student, I hope you understand this point. Okay, if you have any problem, you can discuss with me. Okay, students.